Second question in exercise 12.3. Read the question. Find the area of the shaded region in figure if radii of two concentric circles with center O are 7 cm and 14 cm respectively, and angle AOC is 40 degrees. Here given two concentric circles with center O and radii of smaller circle is 7 centimeters. Suppose this point is E, this is F. Here O to E distance is 7 centimeters. Radius of small circle. Okay. Next 14 centimeters. Radius of big circle. 14 centimeters. Clear? And given angle AOC is 40 degrees. Here we have to find the area of shaded region. Okay, this area. ACFE. Okay, area of shaded region. To find area of shaded region, see, this is like a sector. AOC is the one sector, but we want only shaded region area. Okay, we don't want OEF sector area. Okay, so area of sector, big one, OAC minus area of smaller sector OEF. Okay, area of sector OEF. Clear? Suppose this point is P, this is Q. Area of sector OAPC and minus area of sector OEQF. Okay, clear? So what is the area of sector formula? Theta by 360 degrees into pi r square. Okay, area of sector OAPC is a big circle. So here R1, this is R1. Here R1 is 14 centimeters and R2 is 7 centimeters. Okay, minus area of the sector OEQF, theta by 360 degrees into pi r square. Here R is R2 square. Okay, theta by 360 degrees into pi. Pi is the common. Here common is theta by 360 into pi. Remaining R1 square minus R2 square. Theta value 40 degrees by 360 into pi value 22 by 7. R1 square. R1 is 14 centimeter. 14 square minus 7 square, which is equal to 0 0 cancel, 4 ones 4 nines, 22 by 9 into 7. 14 square is 196, 7 square is 49. 196 minus 49, which is equal to 147. Okay, 7 ones, 7 twos, 1. 22 into 21, 150. 3 threes, 3. 9 threes, 21. 22 into 3, 154 by 3 centimeter square. Okay, finally area of the shaded region we get 154 by 3 centimeter square. Clear?